Hey everyone, welcome back. And today we have a weird, strange looking coin to show you. It's an Indian coin, so if this is something that interests you, please stay tuned and let's look into this. Right then everyone, so today we're looking at this very strange square coin. It's not very often you can say that you've got a square coin, and this coin is from India. Um, I believe it's maybe 5 rupees, if that's even what it's called, but that's what I gotta go with because I can't seem to figure out what the value is of this. So yeah, I just thought, well, alright, I'll show it to you. I know it's Indian, I know it's five something, so, and it's definitely old. It's from the 1980s, maybe 70s or 80s, but the date's on the other side, so we'll look at that. Yeah, apart from that, it looks like there in the picture, it is some kind of I'm just gonna say lion. I'm not even gonna lie, I can't see it. I'm sorry everyone, the coin is in a bad condition because it is old. So I'm gonna say some type of a lion is there, and he's standing on a platform, and it looks like he's like, looking proud to be sort of standing there. If I am wrong and that is a person, then I'm so sorry, but it looks like a lion or something like that to me. Right, and then on the side, next to him, there's some writing. So on the right there, it does say India. The left, I really can't make it out. I think it is in Indian language, so I can't really make it out for sure what it says. But okay, fair enough. But there's a square coin, everyone. It's not every day you see a coin that looks like this at all. Even in most countries, I've never really managed to come across many square coins, to be honest. So yeah, it's definitely worthy again of having this in your collection, because you just don't know if these coins become rare, and you just don't know what they can be worth later on down the line. But the pattern and everything on this is probably really intricate, but I just can't make it out, everyone. And whether this is the front side of the coin or whether it's the reverse side of the coin, I really don't know. I'm so sorry. But I can only show you what I've got, and hopefully that it might very well sponsor someone to come and say what it is, and where it's come from, and if it's still in circulation or not, or what, and how much it is up against the British UK currency, because I really couldn't tell you. So yeah, that's it everyone. I can't really see much else going on the front there. There's a few integral bits, but it's so worn out, it's hard to make out. So yeah, so without further ado, I'll turn it over and I'll show you the reverse side. Right then everyone, this is the reverse side, so here we go. And to start off with, it's from 1985. I think that's right, yeah. 1985 maybe, yeah. 80 something anyway. This coin is definitely out of circulation. There's definitely no way this is still going. Whatever it is, it's 5 something. 5 rupees or 5 something, I really couldn't tell you. But again, it's still the squareness. They've managed to stick this all within the squareness of the coin, which is pretty cool. So fair play to them. And it's really small, maybe just a bit smaller than a 10p piece in the UK. So it's not massively big or anything like that. Yeah, that's writing on the sides of the 5, but I can't make out what that says or what it's about. So please forgive me for that, because I really can't say what that says. But again, hopefully we can come together and figure out what's going on with these coins and what they mean and what they are. So yeah, other than that, there's not much else to say about this, other than it is one of the stranger coins that I got. If you are watching the channel, you'd see maybe some weeks back I've filmed a coin with a hole in the middle. You know, that was back from early days as well. You know, I think that was like 100 years old. This ain't that old, but you know, them old design coins, they were really weird back then. It's really strange they were. So yeah, they just, it's always good to have them in your collection, because I say you just don't know if you come across these so easy again. So alright everyone, there's not much else to say about this coin, but thank you for watching, and please stay tuned. Please like and subscribe, and help grow the channel if we can, everyone. And I will start showing you the good stuff then. I've got so much more to show, so once we start getting somewhere, I'll start pulling out the better stuff to show you. Please stay tuned, please like and subscribe, and I will see you very soon.